Hello, in this video I will show you how to create and use cameos on Snapchat. It should work on your iOS as well as Android device. So I will show the step by step process of doing it. If you want to create and use cameos on Snapchat, watch the video till the end. So let's start it. First of all, you have to open your Snapchat app. Then you have to click on chat option. From here, suppose you want to chat with this friend, then you have to click on the emo sign in the right side. After that, in the below you will see the cameos option will come. After that, you have to click on face plus sign, then it will take you to this interface. From here you have to select any of these cameos. So I'm selecting this one, then it will come in this way. From here, if you click on create my cameos, then this option will come. From here you have to pick one. I'm picking the top one, then clicking continue, then cameos, creating my cameos. Okay, yes, you almost done. From here, if you use this selfie as your cameos, you can use it. So I'm clicking use this selfie. After that, you have to click on OK. Then you will see your cameos have saved. You can select any of this and send to your friend. So I'm clicking suppose this one to my friend, so it will go to my friend. Okay, so in this way you can create cameos on Snapchat. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you out, please consider leaving a like and let me know in the comments if you have any question. Have a good day.